Granatan presents a 2-pack replacement filter set for your air purifier. Each set includes a HEPA filter and an activated carbon filter, working together for triple protection. The pre-filter captures larger dust and particles like pollen, pet dander, and fine dust, and the carbon layer neutralizes odors, leaving your home fresher and cleaner. Easy to replace with no tools required. Each filter lasts up to 8 months. Breathe cleaner, healthier air every day. Granatan, pure air for the whole family.